Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you guys how to make pineapple tart cookies. This is the pineapple jam that roll in soft butter cookies. The pineapple jam is usually homemade because for this cookie, the jam needs to be the thicker consistency. So let's start with the pineapple filling. First step, we're gonna cut fresh pineapples. Cut off the crown and base of each pineapple, slice off the skin and cut out the eye spots. And then we're gonna cut the pineapple and remove the core and also cut to be the little pieces of the pineapples. If you don't use the blender, you can cut to be the little pieces like this and then go to cooking. But for today, I need to use the blender is make is the finely pineapple jams. And now just use the blender until it's the mushy, about 10 seconds or 15 seconds. And then we gonna remove some of the water, the pineapple water out. This one will help to reduce the time when we cooking the pineapple jams. And then you can also drink the pineapple water from this. And then we put in our pan and we'll continue to cook with the low heat. And this one is the pineapple juice that will remain from the pineapples. And then we're gonna add the sugar. Today we use brown sugar to make the color is more brown. And also you can just use the normal sugar. It will make the pineapple jams to be the yellow. This one we use for 200 grams with the big of the pineapples, but you can taste or reduce the sweetness depend with the how sweet of the pineapple that you have. And also add a bit of salt to make it more tasty. And in the beginning you can use the medium heat with all the juice, a gentle boil over medium heat. And then continue to simmer for about 45 minutes to 1 hour. And the jam is very thick and dry to the point where you cannot see any liquid or syrup at the bottom of the pan. This one is ready. The next step we're gonna make the tart cookie. We use just only few ingredients. The first thing we gonna use the butter at the room temperature. For the ingredients I will put in the description box below. I'm gonna use the butter for 150 grams. And use the mixture until it's homogeneous and it's quite like a white color. It's like a creamy. And then we're gonna add the icing powder for 90 grams. and mix just until well combined. And then add 30 grams of egg or half of the egg. And mix again just until well combined. And lower the speed and add the flour. And then we're gonna sieve the cake powder for 300 grams and add half teaspoon of the baking powder and quarter teaspoon of the salt. And then lower the speed and add in the flour bit by bit, just until well combined. And now it's ready. You can form into a bowl and cover with the plastic wrap to prevent it from getting dry when not using. And then we're gonna wait our filling, pineapple filling for 8 grams and also the dough 8 grams. The weight of the dough and the filling is the same quantity. If you want a bit bigger, you can just put to be the same weight. And then cover filling with the dough. Today we make the line on top of our dough, but you can change the design to be the circle or other design as you like. And roll the dough to make the line. And if the dough is too soft, you can press it into the fridge for 5 minutes. Not too long as it gets harder and it will break when we roll it later. Press them onto the baking tray with the baking sheet and bake at 160 Celsius at 15 minutes or until bottom egg are golden brown and they are fully cooked. And now it's ready. You can see our tart cookie is so nice and also it's so delicious when you eat together with the filling pineapple. You can smell for the butter from the tart cookies. If you have tried one of these cookies, you would know how amazing they are. If you have not, do try. I promise you will not regret it. So thank you for watching my video. And if you like this video, please like, subscribe and follow me on my YouTube and my Facebook. And see you next time.